everyone. I have another journal here I'd like to share with you. I just realized I have ink on my hands. I made another envelope folio. This one's a little bit different than the one I made prior that's up on Etsy right now, and it's a little bit different than the one that I'm doing the videos for, the tutorial for. So this one measures, let me find my ruler. This one measures about 5.5 by 8.5, and it's one signature. I don't remember how many pages are in it right now, but the kits that I used are from Phyllis Handmade, Danielle's kit, a couple of her kits, and they're actually, I'm not sure if she has them other than on her Patreon. I don't know if they're anywhere else, but they're on her Patreon. And I also used a kit from my Porch prints, and I think it's called Shabby Roses or something, but I will post them both in the links in the comments here. So this is just tied up with some seam binding, and so it's that thick. So again, just one signature, but a little chunky on the signature side. So here first we have this metal frame, and it's on an envelope, and it flips out, and inside is a little card with a little kind of cluster down there and some journaling space on the back, and that just slides back into there. This is from, I have a piece here and I have some other pieces in here. So this is from a book I got last summer at a book show here where I live. A library was actually had a book. They were selling a bunch of books, and this is a one of the pages out of it. There's a bunch of these painted flowers in there because it's a gardening book, and they're really beautiful. But they're very. This book is from 1895, so this is very brittle. So it kind of broke in half when I tried to fold it. I was going to make it a page and realized it's not going to work because it just broke in half. So I have a piece here on the front, and I have a couple of other pieces inside. So then this opens this way, and in here is a tag. It's glued down. It's got a pocket in the front, and there's a little flip out here. This is from my Porch prints. This is from her kit. And then there's also a little side pocket here with a little tag. And then here is an envelope, and in this, or a little postcard with clear acetate on it. There's a postcard here for journaling, and then a bunch of little, just little pieces. And this fits actually in behind. And then there's a bunch of little pieces here, little tickets and a little cigarette card. So a few things like that. And then this also opens this way, and in here I have a little flip out with envelopes. So this one, inside here there are a couple of little just little strips that you could either use to journal on, or you could use them for collage somewhere else in the book. And then in this one, there's a little envelope here with a little ticket in it. And up here, this one has a little tuck spot, and in here there's a picture. This is from Phyllis Handmade's kit, one of her kits. So that just goes in there. And then this tag, this is from her kit, Phyllis from Danielle's kit. So little tag there you could journal on, and then just folds up this way, and you can tie this back up. sure that's what you all want to watch me is tie a bow. On this side, there's an envelope here, a window envelope, and there's a tag inside. And it has a little kind of paper cluster with some ribbon and lace and little things and a little charm on there. You can journal in there. That just slides back into the envelope. And then this envelope flips up. And under here, there is a pocket with a vintage postcard and another one of these little, there's quite a few of these in here that you can journal on for journaling space or photos. Okay, and then we flip over here and there's a tuck spot here. This is another one of those pieces from this. I just put it on here. There's a little tag here. And this is Danielle's from Danielle's kit, one of her kits. So that page, this is a book page with some texture paste on it and then a piece of paper. And inside here, I've just tucked one of these little journaling card things that are folded over. Piece of coffee dyed paper with a flip or a tuck spot here and some lace. This is from Danielle's kit. This is also from Danielle's kit, and I just cut it out and put a little piece of acetate in there. And there's a little tag in here that you could journal on, and there's also another little flip, little snippet cluster. I don't know what these are called. And that just goes back into this little envelope right there. And then this also flips out and there's paper here for writing, so you can write. And then this is glued onto the inside page of a book. So I left all the kind of gunky stuff around it. And you probably see it maybe better on the other side of the signature. Here, this is that book I was telling you about, The Garden, and it says 1895, and this is where this picture is from. These pictures I have are from this book. This book is huge, so this page is folded here and then folded up too. So this flips out. There's another one of these little journaling pockets here. And then here there's a piece of paper, and there is 2 pockets in here. I put 2 pockets in here and right there. So there's 2 pockets in here. And then this does flip out this way. There's another tag here. This one I love because I did this little thing. So this is all one piece, but I just sliced it right here and tucked a little piece underneath and put some lace down the edge, so it kind of makes it look a little more three-dimensional than just being a flat piece. And then I just glued some coffee dyed paper on the back of it to hide that. So it's kind of a little cute little technique. Another page from Danielle's kit, some music paper, a Edith Holden page. This is a page that I just used some Distress Oxide on and then splattered some gold ink on it and then made a little tuck spot up here. This is also Danielle's paper, another one of these little up there. This is a page out of a book called Gardens of Great Britain, I believe is what this is called. And I just made a little flip there so you can use it however you like. Another page from Danielle. This is also from Danielle, this envelope. And this flips out and folds down for writing space. So you can use that little envelope there. A book page, an old book page. It's hard to see, but there's a little bit of gold edge on that. And it's really old, so I had to put some masking tape, some tape in the center so I could sew it in because it's pretty old. Piece of vellum with a little tuck spot and some lace there. This is, I think, is from a Tim Holtz page, and I just glued it to the back of this page and made a little tuck spot here. So this is from Danielle's kit, and I just put some coffee day paper on the back for journaling. Another page from Danielle, so this is the center. All of this is from my Porch prints. So all these little tags and the little pockets are from there. So there's just 5 little tags in here. They're all backed with coffee day paper, so you can use them for writing. These are vintage buttons that I've had for a while, and a little wax seal right here. This is the other page of that Tim Holtz kind of paper that he has, those long skinny packs. I don't know what they're called. Another piece of vellum with a tuck. Another page from that vintage book. Danielle, another page from the Britain. Here, this is from Danielle's kit as well, and I just made a little side pocket there, and it's got another little place for journaling. And the other half of the Eden Holden page, music, Danielle's paper. Here's another one of these flip kind of envelope flip things. So this one opens up this way. There's a little pocket here with a little tag in it. And then here, this one flips out. There's a little thing here with another one of these little cluster things here, this little envelope. Goes in there and just flips out. There's a little vellum envelope here with a little ticket in it. You can take that out. And then there's another one of Danielle's tags. I'm not going to tie that one. You guys don't need to see me tie. Plus I did it backwards. It goes this way. There we go. Okay. And this is glued on. Oh, and there's a pocket here. There's a pocket here. And there's a little tag here. So this is just an embossed piece of craft paper. And then at the top, I just used the top of a book page from the Jane Austen book, Emma. Just made a little topper for that, and that slides in there. And so this is the other side of that garden book. So there's another one of these. That flips out. This one has a little pocket here too, but I didn't put anything in there. But and this is from Danielle's paper. This is from Danielle's paper, this little flip right here, this little fold over. And then inside here, there's just a bunch of just kind of random paper, little notebook. You could use it for journaling. You can use it for collage. You can use it to put somewhere else in your book. And then this is the other piece of that inside book paper that I was telling you about from an old book. And I like it because it's kind of gardeny green. So that just goes on here with this little paper clip. And then that's the other side of Danielle's paper. Piece of coffee dyed. And on here, I just have this little tuck spot and some lace. And I just did one of these little kind of snippet things here too. Okay. Here is another one of these pockets with the texture paste, and there's a pocket here. There's one of these cards in here. And then here, there's a card here, and I glued on an envelope this way. It's a twist tie. There's nothing in this pocket, but the pocket, there's an opening in the envelope, obviously. So you can definitely put something in that envelope too. And then the back page of Danielle. And then here is a tag that I made using, this is from Danielle's paper, and a doily, and another piece of that painted flowers. And then on the back, so here's the other half of that on this envelope. And in this envelope, there's a whole sheet of Danielle's paper. And it's blank on the back, so you can use it to journal. You can use it for collage. You can use it somewhere else in the book. That just slides right in here. And then when you flip this open, there's another pocket here and another tag here. That just goes on there. So, and that's the spine. So that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this. This will be up on my Etsy shortly after I post this video, so you can go take a look at it there. I hope you enjoyed this. If you have any questions at all, please let me know, and I will see you guys all in the next video. Thanks. Bye-bye.